Jogo matimo ohala matinde kaunti ma Kisumu odagi chike manitie paro mar chik ma igeno ni dhi tayo sekta mar ohala mar ndawa motis ni Tobacco Amendment Bill 2024 ka koro giwacho ni piny owacho ok nokawo pachgi. Chikego keto oinga ne ohala mar math aywaya mar iro ma iluongo ni vape kod motis ni poch. Paro mar chikno ni e nyim Senate kama koro owinjore okale okenge mamoko. Gikwayo jood bura mondo owinj ywakgi kapok okadho paro makamano.
It is our position that Tobacco Control Amendment Bill 2024 fails to put in consideration the welfare of business by introducing new licenses provision which feel unnecessary and whose main outcome will be harassment of small business like us.
There should be definition of terms distinguishing between tobacco products, nicotine pouches and synthetic pouches. They all cannot be generalized because these are very different products. Another thing that we want to address is duplication of duties, because we have KRA and KEBS inspecting these products before they get into the country, and then the Tobacco Board also wants to inspect the same product, which leads to duplication of duties. So we want all these issues addressed for the smooth running of businesses of the small owners.